DDL command, and we saw like what is DDL commands, and DDL command is a very important point is DDL are auto committed. DDL are auto committed means automatically whatever the query you will run no for the DDL command like using create, alter, drop, truncate, it will be saved permanently into the database. It will be saved permanently. So, Sheikh, did you contact Vishal or Venkatesh if you are not able to install?
Yes, sir. I have contacted to Vishal. He suggested to contact with Venki. I spoke with her, but he didn't respond. I pinged him.
Venkatesh.
Yes.
Okay. When you have pinged?
Just before at 5 o'clock, I thought.
5 o'clock, he'll be taking a group discussion and all.
Okay.
So we'll have 5 to 6 and 6 to 7:30 we'll have the group discussion. In 2 hours, 2.5 hours, he will not respond properly. So after
Okay, sir.
class, I'll tell him to help you, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, and message me in WhatsApp so that like I can able to share your number and then he will help you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone is struggling with the installation? Hope everyone install it. Okay, so let's move on.
Hi, Jay. Rahul is here.
Yeah, Rahul, tell me, Rahul.
We have to launch the application, or we can attend this session on mobile.
You can attend in mobile. If you are not able to access in a laptop, you can attend in a mobile only. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there no problem in that. Like because but you can if you access through the laptop and if you open the database, that also will be good. Like some
Yeah,
parallelly
I
also,
can. I
if you
can.
want to execute, you can do it. But what
Yeah, yeah.
happen, no, if you execute parallelly, no, your
Yeah, yeah.
concentration will be, I don't know, like in the theory part you can hear it, but the query part, maybe you will be not able to focus more. But see that if you are not able to focus more in my like when I speak and then you are not getting it properly when you do practice online, then you can keep your laptops aside, practice part, and then after the class you can practice the same.
Okay, okay, yeah, Jay.
Because typing and all it takes time, so there will be distractions will be there.
Yeah, sure.
Tomorrow class will be 2 hours, guys. Saturday, Sunday we'll have class 2 hours, 7:30 to 9:30. Okay. So Saturday, Sunday timings will be 7:30 to 9:30, and Friday we'll have time for the 8 to 9:30. So let's start with the course content. Okay. So last class we have discussed what is the DDL command, and then very important point is DDL are auto committed. What are the commands will come under the DDL? Create, alter, drop, truncate. These are the commands will come under the DDL command. So today we are going to finish all this DDL command, and tomorrow we'll start with the DML and then some functions. Okay, functions will start tomorrow. Maybe we'll have more like tomorrow will be very important. We'll go slow only. Starting this week, I'll go slow because I know like this are these topics are very important. Okay. Then next week onwards, little bit fast we'll go so that we'll be able to complete our course content in 30 to 35 days. So last class we saw that how to create tables. This is the syntax to create a table in the database. Okay. If you want to create a new table in a database, this is the syntax. You can use this and then you can create the table in the database, new tables. You can add a number of columns. You can add a number of columns and what type of data you are going to add here, no? Those types of data types you can assign here. Like if you want to enter numbers, then you can give number data type and size how much digit you want to enter in that. Like I want to maximum limit, I want to make it 5 digit only, I want to enter. So you can specify here 5 digit. Okay. Column 2, I guess, like if you want to enter name, person name. So in that case, you have to pass the data type as a var2, so that it will be like, the string and the characters format name, you will be able to enter it. We'll see that in upcoming topics or upcoming classes. You'll be able to see many more tables, new tables will create, and then accordingly we'll work on that, the remaining topics, whatever we have. Okay. And this is the syntax. You can add a number of columns. You can add a number of columns, and then you can once you add a number of columns, you have to close the bracket with the bracket, and then you terminate the query. So that like if and here you have to you have to consider that you have to give the new name, which name is already not present in your database. Like if you'll see here, no, if you have connected to HR schema, if you have connected to HR schema, and the new tables you are creating, but what will happen? You'll give the same table name as it is available in your HR schema. Like you want to create an employees table. So what you will do, same employees table name you will give for the while creating a table. So it will not take, it will say that already name is there. You have to take another name. So you give another name, and the table will be created for that. So these are the things you have to keep, like you have to keep in mind. One more interesting thing, guys. One of my student got placed in a Mindtree. Okay, my LTI Mindtree. LTI now, LTI and Mindtree are merged together. Now it's LTI Mindtree. Okay, but the verification will be very difficult. So we just planning to, like, we have not decided yet what to do with, whether we have to go through that or not. But like he is able to manage a offer letter for 14 LPA. I'll be sharing the in the group also some of the screenshot. Okay, so see the jobs, you will get it. If you'll put effort, you will get it. If you'll not put effort, you will not get the job. So your 100% efforts are there. We are not going to, go for the proxy or the backdoor, nothing. You learn the course, crack the interview, go in the company, survive for long period of time. If you'll not work hard, if you'll not work hard, then it will be difficult. It will be difficult. So learn the course, crack the interview, survive in the industry for long period of time. If you'll go for shortcut way also, you will come out. So one person called me today. He said me he joined some of the organization, a Hexaware company. Today he shared the screen, and then he was not able to perform in the company. Within 2 months, they have thrown them out. How much money he paid? He told like approximately 1.5 lakhs he paid for the proxy and all. Okay, and then 2 months only he came out. Whatever money was there, he lost it, and then so many difficulties he will face. So don't do that. Learn the things, crack the interview, go in company. It will be, like it will give you more confidence. And one person, I like he shared me his marriage invitation. He shared me his marriage invitation today. So he was there in our my batch 14th, batch 12th or batch 13. I don't remember exactly, but he shared me. And then he told me that he got offer letter long back. So 4 months, from past 4 months, he's working in a company. He was from the non-IT background. Okay. So he was having 5-6 years of experience in non-IT background. So based on that, but designation was matching with the, designation was matching with the whatever the IT we need designation in the like, but he was working in a non-IT. So but he was able to get the like ETL testing project. He got the offer letter for the ETL testing, but package was less only. He got for 6.5 lakhs, and he joined there. And he's telling that, sir, exactly same what you have taught, no same things we are doing here. Nothing, no changes. Very perfect. So those are the things I told him that join our classes for half an hour and just motivate people. Tell your real time experience. Okay. Other person also there, I can request, but I'll try to get him tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll share you the link in the evening time, maybe half an hour you can contact, and you can listen him, so that like, you'll have a better idea what are the things you are going to do as part of ETL testing, and how much it will help you to crack interviews, as well as how much it will be related when you'll go in a real-time project, how much this course content will be related in a real-time project work also. So these are the very positive things we are receiving from each and every candidate. If you'll put effort, 100% job COT, 100% guaranteed you will get the job. If you'll not put effort, if you'll be watching movies, you'll be roaming here and there, attending marriage and all these things. So then it's difficult. Put effort, get your offer letter. 1 month only. 1 month hard work, settled in a IT company. Okay, that is so much of motivation. Let's move to the course content. So today we are going to discuss the drop command. Okay, so second topics, whatever we are going to start with the drop command. So yes, last class we have seen how to create tables. We have created few tables, and today we are going to see how to drop tables. Okay, how to drop tables. So what is the meaning of drop command? What is the meaning of drop command? Drop command will help you to delete the table, erase the table from the database. Whatever the tables you have created, if you want to delete it permanently from the database, if you want to delete it permanently from the database, then what you will use? You will use drop command. Okay. So drop, when you will use drop command, no, drop table name, it will delete the table, whatever the table name you will pass permanently from the database. Permanently from the database, including data as well as structure of the table. What is the structure of the table? If I say that last class, which table we have created, guys? Anyone remember? Anyone remember what tables we have created, guys? Persons?
Employee table.
Sorry, your voice is low.
Employee table.
Employee table we have not created. Employee table we were taking it. So person
23 maybe.
persons 23. Okay, let's take any random table name. Okay, so if you'll see, you have many tables are here. So you can consider that I'm taking table N. Okay, so table N. So here only the column name is there. What is the column name we have? Y is the column name. Okay, if you want to delete this table, no, if you want to delete this table permanently from this database, so you will be using the drop command. So what is the meaning of drop command? Drop is used to delete both the structure and the record stored in the table. Drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. Okay. A drop statement in SQL removes a component from a relational database management system. A drop statement in SQL removes a component from a relational database management system. So when you use drop table name, the table name itself will be dropped. Table name itself, it will be dropped from the database. Table data as well as the structure, it will be dropped from the tables database permanently. Rollback will be not possible in this case. What is rollback? We'll learn in DML command. Okay, rollback means what? You will be not able to retrieve the table name back. You will be not able to retrieve the table name back if you use drop command. So what is the syntax of drop command? Drop table name, you can pass it. Drop table name, you can pass it. The example, if we have created a table customers, then drop table customers, if you will pass, customer table will be deleted. Like if we have an n table, okay. So now we are able to fetch the data from this select a star from n. If you want to see the structure of this table DSC, and if you'll make it, you will see the structure of this table. So what is this column? Only one column is there, which is nothing but y. And then what are the data types of the varchar2, and then length is 2. So if you'll fire a query like drop table, what is the table name, guys? We have
And
n. If you'll run this one, your table will be dropped permanently. Your table will be dropped drop permanently from the database. And when you'll run after dropping the table, no, this will not work. It will say that it will throw error, because when we'll run this query, your table will be this n table will be dropped from this HR schema permanently. From HR schema, it will be deleted, because you have connected HR schema. So this table n will be deleted from the HR schema directly. Okay. So if you run it, table n is dropped. Table n is dropped. Now run this one. Will you get anything in this?
No.
No.
See, table or view does not exist. Will we get a structure?
No.
So nothing is there. It's permanently deleted the data. Let's see some of the data, some of the table with data also, with some of the table with the data. Person 23, you were correct. So we are having person 23, but I gave a persons 23. No, that's why it did not show. So this table. Okay, so how many columns we have, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there in this person 23, but we have not inserted any data. So it is showing as a 0 data. We don't have any data in this person 23. Person underscore 23. We don't have any data. That's why it is showing as a person underscore 23. If you run this, you are getting the structure of the person 23. So how many columns we have here, guys?
5.
5 columns are there. So if we'll run this drop table, person 23, what will happen, guys? Your table will be
Delete the
deleted.
table.
Yeah.
Delete the structure.
So it will delete the table data as well as structure. So whatever the data will be there, consider 100 data is there in this table. So that also will be deleted. Your structure also will be deleted. See, you can observe here. We have dropped this table. Now you run this, you will not get anything. Your table or view does not exist. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see some of the table with the data. Okay, some of the table with the data, like select a star from, let's make it here only, X. It is having no data. What about Y? It is having also no data. Let's see persons 19. Persons. These are the tables I have created in a previous batch, guys. So that's what I am taking the references. So there are two records are there. There are two records are there. Okay. And what is the structure? How many columns are there?
2, 1.
4 columns.
For
1.
Vertical is column, horizontal is rows. Okay, we have 4 columns, 2 rows are there in this table. So let's see that what is the structure we have here. A structure is this one, 4 columns are there. PID, last name, first name, age. If you run this drop table, persons 19, what will happen, guys? Table data as well as the structure will be deleted, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, table person is deleted. Now you see, you will not get anything. Gone? So this is the use of any question in drop command, guys. It's a very simple, very simple. And it's a part of your DDL command. So if they will ask you what is explain DDL, sorry, drop command, what is drop command, you will say that drop command. Using drop command, we can delete the table data as well as structure from the database permanently. Okay, and like it's a auto committed command. The moment we will run it, we will not take it back. We cannot retrieve the table back. Once we have run the drop command, table will be deleted permanently. We cannot retrieve back. We cannot roll it back. The general syntax of drop command is drop table name. Okay, like that you have to tell in interview. Okay, like this you have to tell in the interview. Any doubt?
No.
Read this, guys.
Can we delete only one single column for using this command?
Yeah, that will learn in a DML delete command.
Okay.
Okay. As of now, we are learning how to delete full tables. A structure we are going to modify. So next DML command will learn how to delete selected data only, selected row only.
Okay.
Are you able to see the screen, guys? That alter command, can you read it?
Yes, yes.
Alter.
Okay.
Who is this Redmi 9A? Redmi 9A, can you change your name, please? Redmi 9A. Please change your name. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So read this also. Read it first. Well, understand it and then read it.
Jayant, I want to ask one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Jayant, normally, normally in interview, I have seen some interview, so videos that first question they have asked which ID you have used and what is the database you have used and how you connected with the database.
And that connects on same thing you are going to add here, no? The schema
Okay,
name
schema.
they are asking how you're going to add your schema.
Okay.
Like if you'll see this HR schema, so you can, if you'll go in a properties, no, you'll be able to find that what is this name of the data schema? HR. Username is HR, password is HR, local host, they will give you separately, something link wise it will be. So they will give you separately. Port number they will give you, okay? And then service name also they will give you in real time scenario, okay? So how you're going to add the new connection here, I have explained in my the installation part, no, how you're going to add a new connection, you can learn in that. Okay.
Okay, that is fine. Like what ID means, like what is it? SQL developer? Is it ID or is it a?
It's like same thing connection, no. If you'll click here, what is the port SID or service name? They like regarding the connection only, they are trying to find out what are the things you have done as part of connection. But when you will be working in a real-time scenario, no, new schemas you have to add to your database. So
Yeah,
in that
correct.
case, they will try to like involve in the these are the questions so that like you will be able to say there's something wrong answers, and they will like they will find out like they will see that whether you have really you have worked properly or not. So these are the connection details. You can say that these are the connections we have worked, something like infra gmas or something like that. You can tell the project name. Okay.
Okay.
Port number they will give you, host number they will give you separately with the like link wise. Then service name they will give you. SID, one of the things it will come, either it is SID or service name.
Yeah, this I know because I'm using in my current project also. Like we are having some different credentials for SIT and pre-prod and UAT. So I just want to know, like for example, when we in automation we can say Eclipse has a ID.
That call me after the class. We'll discuss separately. People will confuse otherwise. Okay.
Okay, Jayant.
Yeah, that is the another topic. Guys, finished? I'll just go through this one. We move to another thing. If you are not getting any topic, ask. Okay, after completion of my explanation, you are free to ask. Okay.
Jayant, these two syntaxes we can use, or
Uh,
these two both are different?
these two syntaxes I'll explain you. Just go through, just read it, try to understand it, what it is written. Then I'll explain you one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So next one also alter command only. So total 5 commands are there in alter things. It's a little bit big. So just go through this. If you'll read once, no, like it will be good if I'll explain it again, so that like you'll have a little bit idea before only, and then if I'll explain, you will get it perfectly. Previously, I don't use this, but I find like it is very helpful for the people. They like if I'll start with the unknown things, no, you'll get confused. If you'll read twice the same thing, you will have better understanding when I'll explain it. You will be able to relate the things.
Hello. Hey, sir.
Just 1 minute. Huh? Read all three are done. Modifying data types also done. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So let's start with the what is alter command. Okay. What is alter command? The alter command, the alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table in the database. Okay. The alter command is a DDL command. So we saw that what are the DDL command we have? Create, alter, drop, truncate. Okay. So alter command we are discussing here. The alter command is a DDL command. Alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table. Okay, what is the meaning of this? To modify the structure of existing table. You will have existing table in the database. You will have existing table in the database. After that also existing table is there, data is there in that table. If you want to modify the structure of the existing table, what you will do? You will use alter command. Alter command. If you have a requirement, you want to add new columns. If you want to add new columns to the table, you have created a table 1 month back, and now your requirement is to like you want to add new columns. You can add n number of columns using alter command. You can rename columns. You can rename columns and tables name using alter command. You can delete the columns. If you want to drop only columns, that is also possible using alter command. If you want to change the data type and length of the data, whatever the column data type you will give, no. If you want to change the data type for the same, you will be able to change it. Like if you'll see here, if you have a PID and if you want to change the data type of this PID, it is possible to change the data type. And if you want to change the length also for this, you can change it after creating a table. These are all you can apply the things once you create a table. Once you create a table, after that, if you want to change the structure of the table once again, like adding a new column, renaming columns and tables, if you want to delete columns, if you want to drop columns, you can use alter command. If you want to change the data types and data types and length of the columns, you can do using alter command. So we'll see that what are the query we have for that. So what are the one by one we'll see how can we do that, adding columns, adding new columns, adding single columns, adding multiple new columns. Okay, all these things, renaming columns, and how can we rename the columns, how can we rename the tables, how can we delete or drop the columns, existing columns, how can we change the data types and length in using alter command. We'll see one by one. So first we'll learn how to add columns. How to add columns, guys. First we'll learn how to add single column, how to add multiple column in existing table. Okay, in existing table, how can we add a new column or how can we add multiple new columns? Okay, so how to add new columns in existing table, we can learn using the alter command. Okay, using alter command, we can add n number of columns in a tables. We can add n number of columns in a using alter command, we can add n number of columns to a table. Okay, Muhammad Rafiq, please focus on this one. I'll directly, like later on, you can you can check the database connection. Okay, let's just learn it. What I'm explaining it after the class, we'll see that database connection. Okay, using alter command, we can add n number of columns to a database. So if you will be attending regular classes here only, you will learn more instead of if you refer the recording. No, like some priorities, your work priorities may change. So attend the classes regularly, you will learn much faster and much easier. Using alter command, we can add a number of columns. If you want to add single column, this is the syntax. If you want to add single columns, then this is the syntax. What is the syntax? Alter table, table name, add column name, data type, size. So what is this? Alter table, table name. Which table name you want? A single column. You want to add single column. So which table name you have to mention the table name, existing table name, then add keyword, column name, which column name you want to add to new table, into the table, this new column, which new column name you want to add, and what type of data type you want to assign this column name, and size. You can define it here. This will allow you to enter single column. This will allow you to enter multiple columns. This will allow you to enter multiple columns. So if you'll see the difference between this and this, no, it's very simple. Alter table, table name, add, open the bracket. Open the bracket. If you want to add n number of columns, then open the bracket, column underscore name 1, data type, size, column underscore name 1, data type, size, column name 2, column 2, data type, size, like this, and number of columns you can add it. Then close the bracket, terminate the query. So this one will be there. So we'll see, we'll create a table first, and then we'll add these columns. Okay, first we'll create a new tables. Our we'll create a new tables, and then we'll see how can we add columns. Easy, guys. Okay, so we are going to create a table first. First is what? We'll create a table first, and then we'll try to add columns into that. So which table we are going to create? Employees table. What is the column name? Employee ID. And then to column name we have given, in data types we have given integer, first name, varchar2, last name, varchar2, email, varchar2, phone number, varchar2, salary, integer, all these things. Okay, so if you run it, your table will be created. If it's not there, the table name is already there. If I want to delete the existing table, what we have to use, guys?
Drop
Drop
table.
command.
Using drop command.
Drop table employees. Employee, only employee. So exact column name you have to pass. This table, whatever the existing table is there, it will be deleted, and then we'll be able to create new table, guys. If we want, if table is dropped, now we are eligible to create a new table with the same name. So table employee is created. Now see the structure of this table. We'll see the structure of the table DSC employee. Now see, this is the table structure you have. Just remember guys, let's remove everything, clean the things, and then take it again, new thing. Now this is your table, employee table structure. Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary, everything is there. Now what is my requirement guys?
Oh, modified.
Add two new columns.
So you want
Adding
to add
column
new column.
in existing table.
Yeah. So we are going to add one single column first to which table? To this employees table, existing table. Which is the existing table we have? Employees existing table we have. This is the structure of employees table. Now my first requirement is that I want to add columns in a table. So first we'll add single columns to this table, to this employees table only. So what is the column we are adding here, guys? New column.
Address.
So address is
Address,
the new column.
new
Correct.
column.
Yeah. Address is the new column and the data type is varchar to 100. Okay. Alter table name, add address varchar to data type. So this is related to your new column. Okay. So what is the new column name? Address. And what type of data type you have included? Varchar to, and length is given 100. So where it will be added, this new column, it will be added to employees table.
Employee
Now you
table.
should, yeah. So now you shall see how many columns we have. 6 columns are there in employees table. When we'll run this query, what will happen, guys?
Address.
Address will
One
be
column
added.
is added.
Yeah.
One column is added.
Address column will be added to
Existing table.
employees table.
Employee table.
See, table employee altered. Now you see the structure. Previously we were having 6 columns. Now we are getting 7 columns. Which column got added? This column. Single column only. Okay. Now next one is that if you want to add n number of columns, n number of columns if you want to add, n number of columns, then what is the syntax, guys? We saw the syntax, second
Add
syntax.
braces start. Column 1, column 2, column n.
Alter table name, add, open the bracket, then you can mention the n column number. The same thing we are have here also we have mentioned address underscore home, what type of data types it will accept, varchar to data type is 100, city varchar to 25, pin code number. Okay, so these are the columns. How many columns we are adding, guys?
3 columns.
3 columns we are adding here. If I'll run, what will happen? This 3
3
columns will be
columns
added.
added.
Yeah. So 3 columns will be added. Now table employee altered. Now see the structure of the table. So total, how many columns was earlier? 7 columns, correct? Now if I'll, now we have run it, table is altered. How many columns will see if I'll run this one?
10 columns.
10 columns, correct? Now see, 10 columns are there. So this is the method to add single column and multiple columns. This is very easy. Easy, guys.
Yes.
Next one is that I want to drop column from a existing table. I want to drop column from the existing table, guys. Now we want to add existing columns in a database, in the table. We want to drop the columns from a table. Existing table is there. Now our requirement is that we want to drop or we want to delete existing column from the database. Total how many? 10 columns are there. Now our requirement is that I don't want address home. Address is more than sufficient. I don't want address home. So you can drop this column from the table. Okay, you can drop this column from the table. You can delete this full address home only from this database. How can you do that? For that we have a syntax, alter table name, drop column name, drop column column name. If you'll observe here, okay, if you'll observe this query, and this query, what is common, guys? Up to here it's common.
Yes, yes.
So in each alter command, up to here it's a common. Then if you want to add a new column, you will mention add a new column. If you want to drop a new column, you will mention drop and then column keyword. And then column name, which column you want to drop, which column you want to delete, which column you want to erase, those column name you will mention it. Alter table name, drop, column. Column is the keyword. When you are dropping single column, you have to mention the column keyword. But if you'll see here down, if you want to drop multiple columns, guys, if you want to drop multiple columns, how many columns we are dropping in this syntax? Column 1, column 2. We are dropping 2 columns here. So we are not mentioning column keyword here. And whatever the column we are passing, it's in bracket. It's in bracket. Okay. So remember this one. Drop column, column name. For the dropping a single column. If you want to drop multiple columns, then use second syntax, guys. Second syntax. Okay. We'll see that how to drop a column. Guys, any doubt?
Sir.
Tell me.
Hello. Sir, when you add new column, column is added but with null values. Then how to insert values in specific row?
See what happened, no? Like consider that you have a table. Okay, employee is a table. 6 column we have added, 100 record also inserted there. Correct. 100 records are inserted there. Now, when you are adding a new column, no, it will be added with the null values. Correct. The 7th column, it will be added with the null values. Guys, if you are not understanding, that's fine. This is the extra things. Whoever understanding, that's fine. Whoever not understanding, not require that. So it will be added with the null values. So if you'll use update command, no, if to update the records, to update the record with the data, you can use update query. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yes, sir, Rahul here.
Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
before that you said in drop command, we cannot retrieve the data back. And in this syntax, we can retrieve the data.
This till
Using
now
this?
we are running DDL command only. What is DDL command? Auto committed. Automatically it will be saved. None of the this full command, the moment you will run, no, it will be like, you know, whatever the changes query you have run, it will be saved permanently. You cannot retrieve it back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubt in adding a new column, guys? Anyone? Sorry, I forgot to ask you. Okay, so let's drop a column. So first, what we'll do? First, we'll drop a single column. Which column you want to drop from this list?
Address home.
Address home, you only want to drop it. Let's take it. Mention here, whatever is there. Alter table name, employee is a table name. Drop, single column we are dropping. Drop, single column name. Okay, so address home. The moment you will run it, the table employee will be altered and this column will be dropped. Now see the structure of this table, guys. Previously it was there. Now new structure, what it will show? Are you getting? Address home is gone.
Yes.
Yes.
Address home is gone. Okay. So now next one. What is this, guys? How many columns will be deleted?
2 columns.
Which are the 2 columns will be deleted?
City and pin code.
City and pin code. If you want to drop more, which column you want to drop it? Email? Can I take more columns?
Yes.
Okay, so now 3 columns will be deleted. Alter table name. Up to here, it's the same all the alter command. Okay, drop if you want to drop multiple columns. If you want to drop multiple columns, then what you will mention? Drop, open the bracket, city, pin code, email. Okay, what will happen? It will be 3 columns will be deleted, guys. Table employee altered. Our table employee is altered. 3 columns will be deleted. Now see the structure and check it. City is gone. Pin code is gone. Email is gone. New table structure is what? This much only. Older is what? Which one? Or if you want to see the older one, this is the older one. In this, city is there, pin code is there, email is there. But after running the alter command, we got the new structure where city, pin code, email is not there. City, pin code, email is not there, guys. Clear? Am I going slow or I'm going fast, guys?
You're going correct.
Okay. Any question, guys, in dropping a new column, adding a new column?
Hi Jay.
Yeah, tell me.
If I created a table and while creating a table, I missed the one column name. Like suppose the last name I missed. Okay. Then I want to add last name in the table, and the column name should be in next to the first name only. So it is
Not, it will not be added here.
okay.
It will be added here
Last
only. Yeah. Always whenever you'll add a new column, no, it will be in the last only.
Okay, so we are not able to monitor the position also.
No, no. If you want to create it again like that, you drop the table, create table again with the proper structure.
Okay. Thank you.
Got it?
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So anyone else is having any doubt? Guys, if I'm going fast or very slow, you can tell me. Okay, because it's a starting classes, third session only, no? So like we know, like many people it will be very new to this one. So many people will be knowing also. So we have to take care of everyone. Okay. Now next one is if you want to rename a column, if you want to rename a column in an existing table, if you want to rename a column into existing column, existing table, we have a existing table, correct? We have an existing table here. This is your existing table. So if you want to rename a column name, like if I want to employee ID, I want to EMP ID, I want to mention as a employee underscore ID. You can rename the column name. First name, if I want to make it F name, you can do that. Last name, if you want to make it as a L name, that also possible. Phone number, if you want to change it to mobile number, that is also possible. By what? Alter table, table name, rename, column, old name to new name.
New
Old
name.
name to, yeah. Alter table, table name. You see here, this is common in all the alter command, guys. Then rename is a keyword. Rename is the keyword. So you don't have to mug it up. You don't have to memorize it. You have to learn the format. Till here, all the alter command will have the 3 things will be common. If you want to add it. If you want to drop. If you want to rename, mention rename. If you want to modify. Very simple. Only thing is that here you have to take care whether which command we need column keyword, or which command we don't need a column keyword. You have to remember that one, and it's very confusing. I know that one. Okay, it's not a big problem. So tomorrow I'm going to ask whatever we are going to finish till today class, guys. Okay, so be prepared. And before joining the classes, be prepared and then join. Anytime I can start asking people. Okay. So column old name to new name, old name to new name. So old name means what? Existing table, existing or column name. And what name you want to give? If I have a table employee, if I want to change this old name is what? Phone number is your old name. I want to give mobile number. So you can pass like that, and then you can rename the column name. You can rename the column name. Now see, Okay, so this one. This one, guys. Alter table, table name, rename, column, pin code we don't have here. In this table, we have dropped pin code. So which one shall I take it? Phone number?
Phone number to mobile number.
Phone number to mobile number. We'll change phone number to mobile number. Like this, correct? Is it okay?
Yes.
So what will happen if I'll run this query?
Added new
Plus,
number, mobile
in place
number,
of phone number, it will add rename the
mobile number,
So it will not add, it will change this name.
modify.
for
Hmm.
modify
It will
name.
rename the column name. Direct. Okay. An interview, if they will ask you what is the syntax of renaming a column, you have to use this keyword, guys. Modify is different. Modifying data types and length, it will come modify. You have to use rename
Okay.
keyword. If
Okay.
I'll learn it, it will rename the column name. Okay. Let's see the structure of the table. DSC table name.
It is employees.
Okay. Now can you see?
Yes.
Previously what it was? Phone number. Now it's changed to mobile number.
Mobile number.
Yeah, because we have passed phone number to mobile number. Anything else you want to change, guys? First name to F name. Can I change it?
Yeah, we can change.
How what name you want to give?
First, F underscore.
F underscore name. Like this, can I give?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Yes.
What will happen, guys, if I'll run this one? Everyone.
First name will
First
be
name
changed to F name.
will be changed to F underscore name.
Yeah, first name will change to
First
F
name
name.
will change to F and F name.
Yes, everyone participate when I say it. If you'll participate, you will be active. If you will not tell, you will be inactive. And it will go more in mind if you will be actively, if you will be speaking. Now see, F name. Earlier it was first name. Now it's changed to F name.
F name.
Okay, so this is your renaming a column. Okay,
Column.
renaming a column. And renaming multiple column is not possible, guys. If you want, you can try in your database. But if you want to rename multiple columns in one query, it is not possible. Okay, in Oracle. So next one is renaming table in a database. If you want to rename a table in the database, so how can you do that? Means what is the meaning of this? We are going to change the table name itself.
Table name.
See now we have, what is the table name here?
Employee name.
Employee is a table name. We have created new this one. Employee is a table.
Table.
Employee is a table we have created. Now I want to change what? Table name itself. Okay, so what is the syntax of changing the table name? There are two syntax, guys. One is alter table name. This is same common for all alter. Then this is the keyword rename to new table name. If you'll see here, old table name you have already mentioned here. Old table name you have already mentioned here. Rename is the keyword and to, remember to, guys. Remember to rename to new table name. What table name you want to give? And then this also is another one. If you don't want to use alter command, rename old table name to new table name. Simple. Simple. Old table name to new table name, guys. Old table name to new table name. Okay. If you run it, what will happen, guys? This query.
Employees.
It will change the table name.
Table name employee will, when run it, it will give employee name. View.
If you will run this one, what will happen? Employee is a old table name, correct?
Table name.
Existing table name. If I'll run this
This
query, what will happen? This employee name will change
employee
to
name, employee name,
Employ new.
employee
new
new
table,
will change.
table.
Yes. Now see table employee is altered. Now you see it.
Structure.
Now see the structure of the table. Why it is throwing error, guys?
Object employee does.
Because we have changed the table name.
We have
We
changed
change
the
the
name.
table name. Correct. Now employee table is not there. Now table name is changed. Employee to employee new. You have to pass this only. The new table name only. Now see, you are able to get the data. Correct. You will not get data if you run this one. You will not get the data. It will throw error. Object does not find. What you have to do, you have to change the table name because we
Employee
have changed the table name only using alter
from
command.
old to new.
See,
If you want again employee, we
if
can.
you want to rename again, you can rename any name. You can rename like this. Employee new to what?
Employee. If you want to take employee.
Employee underscore 23 batch
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
like this. So it's a got changed. Employee new altered. Now see now run this. You'll get error.
Employee new. Employee
Object
23
employee
batch.
new does not exist. What is
Because
now
the old
new one?
employee 23 batch.
Now see you are getting data. Okay. Another method is what? You without alter command. Rename old table
Old
name,
table name.
existing table name
New
to
table.
new table name. What is the table name, current table name for the whatever we have changed? This is the current
Employee
table
23
name.
batch.
Run, keep it here. Rename. This is the current
Employee
existing table name.
table name.
Employee 23 batch. Now you run it. It will change to back to back to the same name.
Employee table.
Table rename. Now if you run this one, you will not get it. Does not exist. So what is the new name we have? Employee. Old name only. We change back to old name only. Okay. So this is yours. Renaming this. Any question, guys, till now? Any question in alter? Guys, be active.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If anyone is having any question, raise your hand. I'll take 1 minute break. Okay. Just read this one.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
if I want to write doc string in SQL, then
Which string?
doc string.
Doc string.
Yes.
Why you want
Is
to
it
write doc string?
if I write a query and I have to write hello.
Yeah. First mute your mobile. Tell me.
Sorry, sir. I want to wrote detail about that query. So can I do?
Which query you want to rename? Docs, you want this queries, you want me to ping?
Detail about that query.
Detail about means what? In the database you want to see?
You wrote here alter table employee drop column address home, right? Then I have to write why these queries I write. So more
You want in detail
more
level what
information.
exactly in database it will be defined, correct?
Yes,
What is
yes,
the
yes.
definition inside the database? You mean to say that?
Yes, sir.
You don't go in that much level. We are not admin. We are not database admin. Learn this theory part,
But
understand
sir,
the structure.
for my kind of information, this
No, we are
command.
not going in that much level. We restrict ourselves. We are testers, and like if we are not going in that much level. We are not going to do admin part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So learn whatever the limited access we have given, limited document we have provided, that is the best, that is the more substance things. Other places, this much of document you will not get it. Okay, so this is 100%, more than 100%, you can say that. But we cannot eliminate any of the topics from our learning. We have to learn each and every topic. Then only it will work out. Okay, next one. Give me 1 minute break, guys. I got tired by speaking continuously.
Sir, one more thing.
Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Hold on. Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Hello, sir. I want to insert multiple values at the same time. I execute that command, but at the last line, select star from dual. So what is dual, sir?
I will explain you that one. Wait for some time.
Okay, sir.
Still not started those things. Will not take it from the middle. Okay, guys. So now our target is to, I want to modify data type and size. I want to modify data type and size. So what is the query for this one? Modifying data type and size means what? You have created a table, you have added a column. Okay, some of the columns is having data type number, some of the column is having data type varchar2, but you want to change it in number to varchar2, varchar2 number, or you want to change it to char. So those are the things you can do it using the alter command, modify keyword. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Okay, so if you'll see here, what is the syntax of it? Alter table name, alter table name. What is the keyword we have? Modify. What is the keyword we have? Modify. Column 1, column type. Okay, column 1, column type, column 2, column type, column and type. So a number of columns you can modify using modify keyword. Okay, and alter command, alter table name, modify n number of columns you can modify using this syntax. So if you'll see the our database, how we are going to modify here, this one. So if you'll see here, first name. Okay, so first name change to f underscore name. So what is the data type we have? Varchar2 20, length is 20. Varchar2 length is 20. If you want to change the, what we are going to, what is the difference here in this query and that column, guys?
Size.
Size. Okay, size. So here we are passing 50. We are increasing the value 20 to 50. So if you learn it, what will happen? So table employee altered. Previously, we were having 20 as F name as was the 20. Now, if you will see the table structure now, what will happen? 20 will become 50.
Size will increase.
Now it's increased using the modify keyword. Same thing you can apply for the multiple columns in one thing only. Now, alter table name, modify mobile number varchar to 50. So mobile number what we have given, varchar to 25 we have given. If you want to increase the size, you can use it. If you want to give numbers, you can give numbers. 50 it will not take. Let's see whether we are able to do or not. What will happen, guys? This one.
Default.
Here we need to define size also.
Size, if you want, you can define. Otherwise, automatically it will take 38 characters. 38 digits. Okay, maximum we can enter value up to 38 values. Correct? 38 digit. So it by default it will take 38 only. Okay, now if I learn it, table employee altered, guys. Now see the table details. Can you see? It's a number. It's a number. If you want to apply size, you can give size also. 10 numbers. Can we give 10
Yes.
numbers?
Yeah.
Yes.
What will happen now?
It will allowing only 10.
Number 10.
So number 10 size will increase from whatever the by default value that's showing. It will be, we will restrict it to 10 only. Okay, now see table altered. If you'll see the structure of this table, then can you see, guys? So this is your modify. You can use n number of columns to modify the things, like salary is there, then address is there. Now 100 is the data, 100 is the size here. The salary we have varchar 2. No, number we have here. If you want to change to varchar to 100, that also possible. Table employee altered. If you'll see the real actual table now, it's got changed. Clear? Is it easy, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is any question, guys?
Jayant, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, if single column data type while changing, we can use bracket only.
You can without bracket also it will work.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's make it 100. It's changing without bracket, single column. Multiple column, it should be inside the bracket only.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question, guys?
Can we use in a single statement that modify or rename in a single statement?
Modify and rename? No. Like you have to do it different one. You can try it in your database. You try it, but it will not take it. Okay. It will not take it. SQL designed for the single things. Otherwise, SQL will confuse and then it will throw either. Okay. Any other question? Let me know. Otherwise, we'll move to the last topic.
Jayant, after inserting the data, also I can modify the size, right?
Yeah, I mean, like, but it should be not like if you have entered 10 digit numbers, okay, and you will you will change it to the 5 length, then it will throw error. Correct. It's a common sense. Yeah.
So basically, it should be more than the size, which is
more than the
previously.
size. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other question, guys? Okay, read this one. We'll finish this one and then we'll close the class for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have 2-hour session. After 1 hour of session, we'll give you 5-minute break. Okay. So that like you will be not tired. 1 minute, one month hard work, guys. After that, life will be settled. Just do hard work. How much you can do it? that much good package and that much faster you will get job. If you'll change your priorities after 15 days or 10 days and all, then it will be difficult. It will take it, you will get it, but so like it will take more time, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, like that. If you want immediate, put effort, get it. Document charges also we have made very less for the who need it. For them it's very less. Other places you will not get only on that one. We don't have any margin. Other places people are taking it margin, but I don't take it. How much benefit we can provide you, will provide you. We are 4 members. We had 2 more people, technical people, to help you. You should not get stuck. You should not wait for my response and all. Immediately other person will jump and he will help you to clear your doubt, installation problem and all. So 3-4 people will together will help you to get the job. Only thing is that your effort should be not lagging behind. If your effort will go down, then for us also it will be difficult. Prepare fast if you want whatever help you want. If you want me to connect with you half an hour extra, explain you that also, I'm ready to do it in my free time. If you want separate also, explain me for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can call me anytime you can message me. But don't let it go down your effort. How much you will put effort, that much faster you will get the job. People used to prepare 15 days, 18 days. One Pune guy was there, Rameswar. What a student, man. Like he was, I was surprised when he told, no, after 7, 8 days, that I have prepared full SQL. I gave him full access for the SQL previous class. He prepared, and I thought like he's joking. He has prepared. Randomly, I asked him question. He answered it. Then I asked some tough question and told them like 1 or 2 days more you prepare and then give it. What a hard worker. I mean, like he put effort, lots of effort, and then he prepared in 8 to 9 days only full SQL. Another 6 to 7 days, full remaining topic he prepared, and in 15 to 18 days, full syllabus done. Another 12 to 13 days, 15 days, he got offer letter. Very good, very good person, very good student of mine. If you'll check my demo classes, the videos in YouTube, you will find in some of the maybe batch 15 or batch 17, you may find him. Okay. Very motivating person, very hardworking, really awesome. Like if we'll have a student like, Rameswar, Sindhuja, one Ravi there who got today offer letter. Okay, like this people, if you'll get, no, I don't have to, like, you will get it very fast. Okay, guys, read it. 1 minute, I'll give you time. Yeah, guys. So what is truncate command? No, we have seen that drop command, correct? Drop table name. What it was doing, drop table name, guys?
Deleting the whole structure of the table.
In the table with the structure.
Whole table with the structure data and the table it was deleting. But in truncate command, no, what will happen? Same thing it will do, but it will delete only data. Table structure will remain same. Table structure will remain same. I'll show you what exactly I wanted to say you for the truncate. Let's take an example of employees table. So let's take an employees table. What will happen? No, when you'll execute drop command, table structure, this employee first name, last name, email, all these things are table structure, correct? Columns as well as the rows, full things will be deleted when you will use drop command. When you will use drop command, everything, including table structure, table data, everything will be deleted. It will be removed from the database permanently. But if you use truncate command, no, what will happen? Only data will be deleted. Only data will be deleted. All the data will be deleted. But this table structure, no, this table structure above one, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone numbers, hire date, all these things will remain same only. All these things will remain same only. Only table data will be deleted faster. Okay, that is the truncate command. So truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table. Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table and the free the space containing the table. So what it will do? It will delete whole table data. Whole table data. If 1 million records are there, the whole table data will be deleted. Table structure will remain same only. If you do DSC, no, you will get same table structure. DSC employees. You will get the same table structure, guys. Same table structure you will get it. If you will do truncate command, but table data will be deleted if you use truncate command. That is what it is mentioned. Truncate command deletes all the data from the table. All the data from the tables, it will delete the data. Okay, truncate command deletes all the data from the table. Okay, but table structure will remain same. But table structure will remain same. Truncate command delete all the data from the table, deletes all the data from the table, but table structure will remain same. Table structure will remain same. Okay. Truncate table is similar to delete statement. Okay. We have one delete statement also in DML command. Next chapter, guys. Delete command. Okay. Truncate table is similar to the delete statement. Okay. With no where clause. In truncate command, no, we will be not using where clause, but in delete command, we can use a where clause. We'll explain you this point more. As of now, you can relate the things. Truncate table is similar to delete statement. Okay, delete statement with no where clause. So truncate command, we cannot add where clause, but in delete command, we can add where clause. Truncate table is faster and uses few lines of code only. Few lines of, okay, few lines of code only. Few lines of code. Truncate table is faster and uses few lines, like only one line you have to write it. Truncate table name, that's all. Truncate table name, that's all. So that is what. Let's find out which table we have the data first. Employee 90s. Let's see. No data. Employee 1. Employee 2. Many tables I'm dropping it. That's what the problem. Okay, jet air reservation. This column, this table. You shall see we have here also no data. What happened, guys? Shortage of data. Now, if you'll see this one, this table, how many records are there, guys?
2 records.
Two records are there. If I'll use truncate table name, then what will happen? Truncate table person, what will happen?
Your records will deleted and the structure will be
Structure will remain.
The structure will remain same. Now we are able to see the table data as well as structure also. Table data as well as structure also. So this is the structure of your person table. Now if I run it, truncate table name, truncate table name is what? Persons. So what will happen? This two records will be deleted, but this above one will remain same only. Now table is truncated. Now run it. The table data will be, see, gone. It's gone. Two records earlier it is gone. You will have the table structure will remain same, but table data will be deleted, guys. Any question?
And it is auto committed, right? We cannot roll back, right?
Your voice is low. Can you speak loud?
Using truncate command, it is auto committed, right?
Auto committed. Yeah, auto committed. It's part of DDL, no?
Yes.
It's part of DDL.
Yes. DDL auto committed.
Yeah, DDL auto committed.
We can do
All the command of DDL are auto committed. It will be saved permanently the moment you will run these queries.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what we have for truncate command. If you want, you can create more tables. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to insert data. How to insert data into the table. We'll learn two syntax and we'll see how to insert data in the table. So we have seen how to create table, how to modify data. Okay. Next class, we'll learn how to insert data into the new tables, guys. Any doubt? Citizen. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So you
Sir,
can
after deleting the
Jayant, I
data.
have one small doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
After truncate the table, if you want to get remind the data, how can we do?
You cannot get it. That's what we are discussing, correct? It is auto committed. The data is gone. You cannot retrieve it back.
Okay.
Okay.
None of the query. The moment you will run this query, it will be saved permanently. Like if you run the create command, table will be created permanently. Okay. Alter command. If you have renamed the table name, if you have added a new column name, it will be saved permanently. If you have dropped the table, if you are dropping a table, means your table data and the table structure also will go off. So that also you will be not able to take it back. Truncate command also you will be not able to take it back. If you have lost your data using truncate command, you will not able to take it back. Truncate, there is some difference between truncate and delete and drop. We'll see in a tomorrow class, guys. What we'll do tomorrow class, we'll have the DML command. DML command will learn. DML command. Okay. Full DML command will learn. DML command will learn. And then 1 hour will finish this one. All these things. 1 hour, 15 minutes like that. And then we'll jump to the functions. Functions take 2.5, 3 classes, guys. Functions, full functions take 2.5 to 3 classes. Like in 1.5 hour, I mean to say. 2 hours it will take less, like within two classes it will be done. Okay, so till Sunday evening we'll finish the functions also. So these are the functions we are going to learn. I hope everyone got the access for the drive, guys. Everyone is having drive access?
Yes.
Who did not have?
Yes,
Raise
sir.
your hand. What is this? Which one? Batch 23, correct?
23. Right.
I'm getting confused, man. So many things are there. So all 2 recordings are uploaded here. Today recording also it will be uploaded here. Okay?
Okay.
If anyone is
there
having
is
no access, let me know. Sorry?
there is no backup after truncate.
No backtrack.
Okay.
You cannot roll it back.
Oh. The
Okay, guys. So if any doubt will be there, drop message in WhatsApp group. Okay, and then we'll reply back on that. And if any doubt will be there while practicing and all, share your screenshot, guys. Everyone, share your screenshot when you do practice. If any doubt, drop in a message in a WhatsApp group, or ask tomorrow evening class before join. Like we'll start at 7:30. No, you can ask 7:30 to 7:45, like that. We can keep for the doubt clearance also, or we can ask bank test to take for the doubt clearance. Okay, guys, let's disconnect and we'll meet tomorrow evening. Bye, everyone. Take care.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.